Hi, I'm Tony Crimlisk. This is a song from 1928. Love, 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 what did you do to me? Things I've never missed are things I can't resist. Love, 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 isn't it plain to see? I've just had a change of heart. What can it be? Oh, she's got eyes of blue. I never cared for eyes of blue, but she's got eyes of blue, and that's my weakness now. She's got dimpled cheeks. I never cared for dimpled cheeks, but she's got dimpled cheeks, and that's my weakness now. Oh my, oh me. I should be good, I would be good, but she likes to bill and coo. Well, I never liked to bill and coo, but she likes to bill and coo, and that's my weakness now. She likes rainy days. I never cared for rainy days, but she likes rainy days, and that's my weakness now. My, oh me. I hear the clock striking 1, 2, 3. Oh my, oh me. I should be good, I would be good, but gee, she likes to park and play. I never liked to park and play, but I guess we'd better park and play. That's my weakness now. My, oh me. I hear the clock striking 1, 2, 3. Oh my, oh me. I should be good, I would be good, but gee, she likes to. I never like to, but she likes to. And that's my weakness now. As I say, this is a song from 1928, best known probably in a recording by Cliff Edwards, who was also known as Ukulele Ike. It was written by Sam H. Stept, a jazz pianist and composer who was born in Odessa, Ukraine, and moved to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania with his family at the age of 3. He was a prolific composer of songs. The lyrics are by Bud Green, who was born Moses David Green in the Austro-Hungarian Empire, and he immigrated with his family to the United States as an infant. It was their first hit song together. It was made popular by the singer Helen Kane, who was commonly believed to be the voice of Betty Boop, but apparently she wasn't. She sued over it and lost, the judge ruling, ironically, given the common assumptions now, that there was not sufficient likeness. It was also a recording by Paul Whitman and his orchestra, and there was a vocal group which included Bing Crosby, but it's not a soloist. Russ Morgan had a hit with the song in 1949, reaching number 17 spot in the Billboard charts. And it's a nice little song to sing on the ukulele. That's My Weakness Now is in the key of C. It starts off with an introduction D7, G7 and C. Then it goes C, love, E minor 7, which is this, love, then A7. What did you do, G7 to C? Then back to G7, things I never. Now I like to use that because I can slide that first finger up there and use a bar. But if you find a bar difficult, then you can use this version, which is also a B7 chord. And that's useful because it moves straight across there to that shape, which is the E minor. Can't re, then G7, resist, then again, love, 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 isn't it plain to see? This time it's an E minor, C, change of heart, D7, what can it be? And then the first part is, she's got eyes of blue, I never cared for eyes of blue. Fill in there with just a C sharp diminished, 7th, then a G7, that's my weakness now. And then a C7, then the middle section is oh my, oh me. I should be good, I would be good, but gee. And then we're back to the same as before. Well, I hope you found that interesting and useful, but whatever you do and however you do it, have fun.